Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back again. So this morning I decided to bring to you this update. So before then, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Then a few days ago, of course, like I said, there's a video that was trending from Butuzor. You know, that audio where he was saying some things that not go down well with many people. And that is the video that I want us to pay close attention to because for Deep Republic, decided to bring the real one. You know, one thing about some of us is this: once you have an issue with anybody, especially some of us that are from Igbo tribe, because Biafran comprises of different tribes. So Igbo speaking Biafrans, they have this kind of, mindset that once you are against anybody or you have different opinion from others, they will go at any length to bring you down. Some of us, not everybody. So Butuzor made a speech where he narrates his own feelings. And he said again that nobody is giving him anything. Listen, underline the word, nobody gave him anything, no material. People that say they bought material for him, that nothing like that, no money whatsoever. So that message is directed to every party. USB, Fallback Republic, and any other person. That was what he was trying to say. But guess what? Those who received that message for the first time, like those who get hold of it at first time, because they're all following their platform, like gentle platform and all that, which many of us follow on Facebook, but we are not active on Facebook. Like me, I am not active on Facebook. So whatever message that land there, I will find it difficult. It's not like I'm not gonna get it, but it may take time. So now we have access to the original audio message of Butuzor and whom he directed that message to. What I'm trying to say is that those who received it at first time, they deleted it. They called the part that Butuzor actually indicts Success, Oginkere, and any other person, not only USB. They remove those ones and bring the one with USB, as if Butuzor is only directing that message to USB alone. Yes, he included USB in the message when he mentioned Ngozi Rabeze. So I am here this morning to bring to you the real thing. And how did I get it? It come from 4 Deep Republic. They used the original audio yesterday on their Twitter space. So while listening to that, I said, okay. So they know those things, but everybody was sharing it. Ngozi Rabeze have again bashed. Butuzor have done this and done that to Ngozi Rabeze. And the Royce also echo the same thing. But guess what? People that Roy is supporting are included in what Butuzor said in the message. So please, my people, I want you to listen to this so you yourself can also understand what Butuzor said, and it's going to get a long way to help you to understand what is playing out and know who is actually lying here. Okay? That's all we want to do here.
July 17. I'm with the triple general Igwe Butuzor. They go back now, go more Biafrans. I voice I'm not about voice, all the voice. I'm wearing a USB government, dealing with Ngozi Rabeze and as an Amoa voice before I let them from Jerusalem. I check out on him no woman up and emotion like this struggle. Every trade, I love Biafra. Every family. I don't show them like I love Biafra. Why am I saying this kind of voice? I would have met this voice in Bam. Would have been feeling on my person. So, I'm not this voice and repeat it again. I'm not going to Biafra. So, I'm not planning to want this message. Both voice in there. It's not a new voice. All old voice. To Ngozi Arabaza and Co. So because this is my voice, one and only. Anybody who use this old voice, when I make a paper to me, I mean, under Butuzor to fight and get Biafra, to fight and restore Biafra. I mean, I'm open my regular door with a ticket, original plan with a ticket, now look at the high. So because from home and the blood, the king and water voice here. Don't believe it. It's old voice, it's not a new voice. All old voice is not a new voice. But then, on our social media, because you on go but I can say that. Jangan tu ko batang ko dia kan ni una we can get it like I say what not national get out for dia una we get it how do we get the material for this voice una we get it how do we bring the missiles and bomb explosions how to bomb and disconnect this people depending on how work and how to push it when you do the area don't care push it so no more papier be like you the area of feel no idea and get so on your plan to pack on your plan to pack that because it be details of everybody.
Now, pay attention. He mentioned Solomon. Just listen. But I don't know which Solomon he's talking about. Now, number one, listen. Now he mentioned net details of everybody. I just want to listen. Now, he said that everybody, that he can block everybody because the message is going to everybody. He mentioned Solomon. I don't know the Solomon. I don't know the Solomon of USB. I think it's another person because he mentioned Solomon. He mentioned other names, including Success. And who is working with Success? Okay, but they call this part the one they shared. Even Sona Parawadon, and I don't know what happened to his ex. I would have bring to you some of his posts because in his post on S there are a series of mockery messages that he attached to this audio, trying to talk down on USB. From Fourth Deep Republic also, they were doing the same thing. It's all about Ngozi Arabaza, USB, Ngozi Arabaza. Butuzor is this starting himself from Ngozi Arabaza. The original message include all of them. They cut it off and tried to circulate this one because Abaka Kono, they will even water. Abaka Kono, that's what they do. They want to team up together to reach what they have been doing. But glory be to God, now some of them are trying to, by so doing, they managed to bring the original voice, the original one. Now listen.
I just want for everybody. I don't want to talk. I just want I don't want to call. Even make a call. I don't want to make up. I don't want to make a man to complain. I'm facing my problems. I'm not to complain. I don't want to share with anybody again.
I don't want to associate with anybody again. But the way they play the message or the way they're sharing it is like people may think, oh, like even me, that Butuzor is no longer working with USB and he chose to work with somebody. From this message, not even for deep. He did not even mention for deep. He said that I'm just going to be myself because I've noticed that you guys are not ready. You sold PM, you sold Madam Mekano, and I know that I'm the next person that you want to sell. His opinion, all right? But go and see or watch how other people sharing the message. It's not about the USB. Oh, USB. Oh, USB. But the truth of the message is that the truth of the matter is that it's not for USB alone. It's not for USB alone. The guy is fed up of everything. But they are trying to drag Ogenkere here, even for deep. The reason why they're playing this to remind Ogenkere group that you guys also included. You guys are the one that caught that part where he mentioned success. And you think that we don't know, we have the original copy. But even them that are sharing it also, their name is not actually mentioned like as if they are the one that to work with Ogenkere, with Butuzor. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. So the message, why I'm bringing this for you to know how corrupt, how evil people can be. People who have determined to do what ordinarily no sensible human being would love to do. That's what they want to do. Now listen.
That is one the boy of like it. Everybody is looking out to me and getting money. They will never go or go or can I guess it every year. I don't know the color every year. There are more national, no one will say a program about. Oh, yeah, we have been very gentle with the happy man on ground. I'm not on it. I'm going to make him a year put a mail. I say, there is answer. In not a good job, will not ask a John about propaganda. When she said, I'm not have my message on the day. I'm not have a go. Every time I can open the separate, anybody like that. Anybody like that. You know what I can never on the air. You know me, I don't cut careless. I didn't go to marry. And the number some on your phone, nobody can never use me. So you have nothing but to do. Don't answer right there and I. Who's choose? Let two separate and let two separate example. Or before the phone. Or look with the matter. Or pick a cola. Or more like a watch. Who? No, I pay with the material. Who says so? I want to know the person. Because I said, now go to the best and send the letters. Which choose go to the best and send.
I said it, Jackson. Okay, so that's about it.
That is the end, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let me play my own so that they will check if there's anything, if I touch the audio or the audio or anything. So everybody here from the beginning to the end. Let me play it too.
Diaspora. Okay, look at my house to Tamara no man. Opposite our Thursday, July 17. I'm a woman of the triple general Igwe Butuzor. Neko Bata, now go more Biafrans. Now, voice here, I'm not our voice, old voice. Where the USB government didn't go out of bed and ask them have voice before I left them fundraising. I Catalan no woman, the upper and emotion I just struggle. Every trade them Alabiafra. Every Bemberry. I'm a Benebem to make it Alabiafra. Why I say made this kind of voice? I would have made this voice in Bam. Would I wear a feeling on Mother Gamarafaso? So, ya come now, this voice I repeat here again. Come now, go more Biafrans. On your plan and what this message. Old voice there is not a new voice. Old voice. To go to Arabs and Co. So, because this is my voice, one and only. Anybody job will I use this old voice. We're going to make a Biafrans. Namana or Nama under Ginawa. Butuzor my Yamau to fight and get Biafra, to fight and restore Biafra. Men of Mubame will blend to I will take a original blind will take a now of an get behind. So because from home and abroad, the king and water voice here. Don't believe it. It's good voice. It's not a new voice. all old voice is not a new voice. By then, phone on our social media. Because you have to go for that kind of cafe. Just to go for that book. Who know we get it with a new dimension? I get out of the other. Who know we get it? How do we get to material for this voice? Who know we get it? How do we bring missiles and bomb explosions? How to bomb and discourage these people? You know, that rob, I don't appreciate. When you could go to area, I don't care. Solomon, a papier, be like you to the area of Lemo Madia, Manga Masolo, on your Bola Kurubaki, on your Black Kubaka, because it's permitted to everybody. Mangos are a better book, it's completed of everybody, it's completed of Lacao. It's a Pacamala, get them what you were down on a master down on here, or not dimensional. If you talk about Pacamala, you could put the Pulomoni. Don't get yourself and every people come to Trago, every people come to cook everything. Arika, block of the final. Orica, the block of the final, all this reputation on the Orica, the block of the final. You make a good about the making him brothers now. The home I'm a born, but I should make a camo by my kill, my Solomono, my brother. My success, my God, no how to the cabinet is I'm on a bank. I'm a Arakan related to the extent of you people. I'm about to let out because now we have not got the guy here. Oh, now we have the face here. In a vacation and I'm not in a panorama. We have free movement, the job of literature, maybe of the story, Melanie. Yamana, and then that's what I'm not a Parion. All your Anacomaco sister. I just waiting for everybody. I don't want to talk. I just not room. I don't want to call. Even make a call. I don't want to make up. I don't want to make. I don't want to explain how I'm facing my problems now. I'm actually complaining. I don't want to share with anybody again. The camera bag is able to go. And the bag is here. I thought that is when you boy over like it. And maybe after that, everybody is looking out to me and getting married. Or going for work, or get up, get a repair, Maryland and the color repair. There are more just person in the and problem about. Boy, I have we here be over here, the gentle with the here be a man on ground. Let me mention it. Come on, me here, man. I hear put a mail. I say, be a ass, in not have a joke, not have a John about propaganda. On and have a social media. On and have a cocoa. Even in Potan came open affair, you could like a gassaco. Here you could like a gassaco. You know what Potan kept me on the poor end. You know you, I don't cap careless. I never could go, I never made. And the number some on your ball, nobody, no man, nobody can never use me. So you're not working nothing but to do your thing here and I, who's two? A little say, put a million, a little say, but I gentle, call people to fall, call you good matter. Go Pitacola. Go woman, go Wajaya. Who? Mama, I the material. Who says so? I want to know the person. Because say now goes out a bed that's under a lady. Which goes out a bed that
not be the same audio. So when you see people carrying lying, you will know.
Maybe that boss name that he called, who is that man? Because that is the man's name. David Unana was calling. He said that is the only person's name that he called.
The person that he mentioned, the people that he mentioned their name. He mentioned Ngozi Olabosi. He mentioned Oki. He mentioned Success. He mentioned the last person that he mentioned at the end is Ebuka.
Yes.
Understand? These are the names of the people that he mentioned. But the reason why, what is it called? They are propaganda machine. The reason why they cannot play it, the reason why they cannot bring that in public is because he affects them. And Igwe Butuzor is distancing himself from them. That is the reason why they cannot bring it out.
Okay. So that's the reason why they cannot bring it out, and they call the part that affect them and try to share that, the one that is about Ngozi and the USB. I have told us many times that one of the reasons why personally I don't take Fallback Republic serious is the level of their lies. Irritates me. Honestly, I despise it. I don't know why people are a kind of giving them the trust or anything at all, because every now and then they keep on dishing out lies. Please tell me what you think about it. This is the real message from Butuzor, and you can see people that he mentioned. He did not exclude anybody. He did not exclude, but the message goes viral. They send it, they share it viral, and it went viral, and just for people to see USB. Even though he himself said in one of his so-called press briefing, that guy is something else. He will on camera begin to insult people. That's a press briefing. Even you that's not even a press man, ordinary person want to listen, you will end up not picking any point. If you manage to pick 2 points in 30-minute speech of Ogenkere, that means the man is very, very smart. You must be a genius. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it and share it. Let it go over so that people that have the knowledge that Butuzor is about to we understand that even Ogenkere, he also mentioned him that he did not get anything from them. As simple as that. Ogenkere is a success. Success is Ogenkere. God bless you and see you again. Good morning.